Good afternoon and welcome back into Midday in Kansas. Wrapping up this show with Charlene Patton in the Kansas Soybean Commission. Usually we have a soy-infused recipe of some sort, which we do today, but the main ingredient is beef. And Charlene, what people don't know and how they say, why is beef associated with soybeans? It's got a big association, doesn't it?
It sure does. In our state of Kansas, most of our soybeans go to feed livestock. So beef is a big part of that, and this is National Grilling Month. It's National May Beef Month. So I thought it's a great time to combine all those things. So we have 3 great steak recipes that we're doing on our website this month.
Yes.
So if you want to do something a little special with your steak, then we've got some ideas for you.
Okay.
The first one that I have here is, this is a flat iron steak. And so we're going to marinate that a little bit. And this is about an 8-ounce piece of meat.
Okay.
And going with our dietary guidelines, this is going to serve several people. We're going to make it into a salad.
Several people?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right.
Now, I'm going to put that in a plastic bag that we can reseal.
Okay.
This is the easiest way to marinate something, and I'm going to let you pour that on there. And this is a Greek vinaigrette, and we'll just put that in there. We'll seal that up, and then you can put that in your refrigerator. When you think about it, turn it around, and so it covers it really good, and let that marinate for about 2 hours.
Okay.
And then it'll be ready to go on the grill. And so now we're going to put that aside, and we're going to make our salad that's going to go with it. Now this is 6 cups of greens, any kind of greens that you'd like to have. And to that now we're going to add, you've got cherry tomatoes there that we're going to add to our Greek salad. These are the olives. The Kalamata olives. We have black soybeans, very good.
Some red peppers.
Well, yes, and this is not in the recipe, but I put this there as an example that, again, it's a salad.
Whatever you want.
can add whatever
right.
you want.
Some
okay,
onions.
red onions,
You gonna just keep on rolling with this?
and cucumbers.
Okay.
How about that? So toss that together. You can put this in a bowl. You can make individual serving dishes, and you can see what we did there.
Looks delicious.
And then I'm topping it with some feta cheese.
Delicious.
And then you can use some more dressing. You can cook this steak. We do have a chart on our website that tells you about the degree of doneness, so whether you like it rare or medium or well done, so you can get it perfectly, and be sure to use that meat thermometer.
It's all online, right?
All online, kansassoybeans.org.
All right, Charlene Patton of the Kansas Soybean Commission wrapping up our celebration of Meat Month. May is National Beef Month.
National Beef
Beef
Month.
Month sounds a lot better. Thanks for watching Midday in Kansas. We'll see you tomorrow morning starting at 5 a.m. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
We did it.
Get done later.